Okay, YouTubers in YouTube land, well, that would be me because I'm on YouTube. I'm going to show you what I got from my brother for Christmas. It's a new jigsaw. Look at it. It's a beaut. It's a Bosch 7 amp jigsaw. And that's not one of those ones that's made in China either. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to run it for you guys. And then you're going to see how cool it runs. So hold on. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see here. It's taped up. Let's see here. All right, that part's open. Honey, you want to give me a hand with this? It's just like Christmas, and here it is 3 days after Christmas. Okay, you're not funny. All right, that part's open. Okay. Oh, when you open these, always make sure Bosch is reading up on the thing, on this little tab. Okay. Nope, I'm doing good. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's a beauty. Get your hands off that. Okay, I'm going to plug it in, and we are going to see how it sounds. Because I know Bosch is smooth. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Okay, it's plugged in. Here we go. Bosch saw on. Oh my God, the torque. And variable speed. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, the torque on this, it almost breaks my wrist. Holy, and it's so smooth. Oh, it's beautiful. Well, that's it. Brother, thank you. I love you. Yeah, I do. Bye.